In this video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube TV on a non-smart TV, even if it doesn't have built-in apps or internet connectivity. The good news is there are several ways to enjoy YouTube TV on an older or non-smart TV. The easiest solution is to use a streaming device like a Roku, Amazon Firestick, Google Chromecast, or Apple TV. Simply plug the device into your TV's HDMI port, connect it to your Wi-Fi network, and download the YouTube TV app from the device's App Store. This allows you to stream live TV and on-demand content directly on your non-smart TV. Another option is to use a Chromecast. If you have a laptop, smartphone, or tablet, you can cast YouTube TV content to your TV by connecting the Chromecast to the TV and using the casting feature in the YouTube TV app or website. If your TV has older ports like AV or VGA inputs, you can connect a laptop, smartphone, or tablet using an adapter. Open YouTube TV on your device, and the content will display on the TV screen. These methods make it easy to enjoy YouTube TV on any non-smart TV. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to use YouTube TV on a non-smart TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.